Welcome back to the tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do picture-in-picture inside of Final Cut. I do have a couple methods, so let's jump in and show you how to do that. Alright, method one is pretty simple. Make sure you have your clip on top of the other clip. That's going to be your background. So this one we're going to type in picture-in-picture. And you get this effect right here. Drag that onto your top clip. Boom. Once you get that, resize it however you want it. So let me move that around. Cool, I want it right here. And choose from where you want it. So I'm going to do from the right edge. Cool, so let's play that. Cool, there. That's the first method. Let's jump into the second method on how to do this. Cool. So this one we're going to do like a circle. So first we're going to go to the element, grab a circle. Cool, drag that on top. Once you click on that, disable fill. Cool, now select on your video, resize that, whatever you want inside of that circle. Hit done. Cool. Now you select option and drag that up. You'll duplicate your clip. Now select that bottom clip and hit fill. Cool, and now go to the video option, hit the blending with stencil alpha. Boom, there you go. Select all three clips, right click, new compound clip, hit OK. Boom, now you got that. Now you can resize it and place it wherever you want in your video. Bottom right. Cool. There you go. That was method 2. Let's move on to method 3. Method 3, right? We're gonna do the magnetic mask. So look for that. Drag down to your top clip. Select your object. Hit analyze. It'll do its thing. Cool. Hit done. And now click on your top and resize it wherever you want it. And there you go. Put it at the bottom right. And there you go. Cool. And that was method 3. Thanks for watching this quick tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.